Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to create a clean, polished makeup look together. The key to this makeup look is a naturally radiant glow, so make sure to moisturize and clean your skin. This look, I'm using Chanel Ultra All Day Comfort Flawless Finish Foundation. It's shine controlling, sweat proof, and super lightweight, which is perfect for my oily skin. Lets my skin breathe while still giving me a smooth, polished finish. I'm really not a huge fan of heavy foundations, especially for an everyday wear. I like my skin to feel like skin, and this foundation is the perfect match. And did I mention the color match of this foundation? It is literally my skin in a bottle. I prefer to use a brush to blend my foundation in because it gives me the most natural look as opposed to a beauty blender. Make sure to blend your foundation down all the way to your neck so that everything is uniform. And this is just one layer, and I think it's perfect for an everyday wear. However, this foundation is buildable. If you want an extra layer for full coverage, you can definitely add more. Next, I'm going to take NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, and I'm going to apply that underneath my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my chin, my forehead, and as well as my eyelids to cancel out some of that redness that I have going on there. And then I'm going to take a small Precision Brow Technique brush, and I'm going to just blend all of that in. Just blend, blend, and blend. And keep on blending. Keep on blending, blending, oh blending. I'm gonna go back in with a little bit of my foundation, and I'm just gonna buff the edges of that concealer that I just applied. You don't want any harsh lines, so make sure to just smooth everything out so that it's nice and blended. And then I'm going to take Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I'm going to set my concealer into place. So everywhere I applied the concealer is where I'm going to apply the translucent powder. So that is my chin, underneath my eyes, my forehead, my nose. Now I'm going to take Brow Definer by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm going to fill in my eyebrows very lightly. I want it to look as natural as possible, so I'm just going to use the pencil to just slightly enhance. I'm going to go back in with my foundation, and I'm going to clean up my brows. I'm using my foundation shade because I don't want it to look dramatic. I want it to look like I literally woke up like this. Then I'm going to buff that out. You want to make sure that everything's seamless. And then I'm going to take MAC Mineralized Skin Finishing Powder, and I'm going to go ahead and just bring some warmth back into my skin. The Mineralized Skin Finishing Powder is a tad bit darker than my foundation shade, so I'm going to use it to contour my jawlines, my nose, my forehead to bring some definition back into my face. Taking a black eyeliner by Ruby, I'm going to use that to create a very small wing liner, nothing too dramatic. I'm also going to apply that into my waterlines. Taking Anastasia Beverly Hills Lash Sculpt, I'm going to coat my top and bottom lashes. For blush, I'm going to be taking Fuchsia Rose by Chanel. It's a soft, silky powder blush that enhances the complexion with a touch of color and radiance. Here I'm applying a little bit onto my nose for a flush look. I'm also going to apply it into the creases of my eyes because it can also be used as an eyeshadow. To set the makeup, I'm using Urban Decay All Nighter Waterproof Setting Spray. Just grabbing a dark brown pencil by NYX. I'm going to use that to outline my lips. And here I'm going to take this pink lip liner by NYX. I'm going to use that to shade in the middle portion of my lips. For lipstick, I'm using Cocoa Bloom by Chanel. It has hydrating benefits and a plumping effect. And this is the completed look. It took no more than 5 minutes. I absolutely love it. And I hope you guys do too. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye guys.